Today we're going to look at some massage moves for the back. This is coming from my 2003 training video. So first of all, obviously we're warming up the oil in the hands and we're just applying it gently. We can use our thumbs up the back muscles here. Again, I tend to not use this move as much anymore because it does have an impact upon your thumbs, and I'd use elbows quicker, but this is, if you're not massaging a lot, then this is fine. You're not going to hurt yourself too much. You can see this is more move I still currently do, where I either work with oil or I work without oil and use then pressure on, pressure off. So if you're not using oil, you never want to be sliding. But it's a nice way to get in deep into the back. And we're working on the muscle beside the spine, not on the spine itself. Okay, so it's either side, spinous rectus muscle. These are called circular friction moves. So they're done in a circular way. And here I'm pushing down. Sometimes you'll get a click out of the spine. Again, that's something that should only be done by people that have done my course. Knuckles, you can get in there deeper, it saves your hands. I like alternating techniques so that it doesn't put too much pressure on one particular part of my body. Most of these techniques I would still use today. The only difference nowadays is I would follow that band, which I call the big toe sacrum band, and beside it is the Achilles band. I'd follow that right down to the big toe, work at the roots of tension, or I'd follow it right down to the other toes, the second band, the Achilles band, and get it out from its roots. That's why I do a lot of work on the feet these days, because what I found for many years is, obviously I'd been massaging about 13 years then, but I found that you can work people and they'll loosen up to a certain extent, but then a certain amount won't come out, and that's why I developed my more up-to-date style with it, where I get right into bits of the toes and that sort of thing. It's a nice area to get into up there in the top of the neck, just where the muscles are meeting the skull. People get a lot of tension there. You can work around the shoulder blades as well, and you can see there I'm just crossing over what I now call the outer little finger band. And that joins in with the other bands. Back then I'm just massaging them, getting the blood flow going, doing what I can to loosen them up. Here I'm demonstrating techniques with towel as well. Again, coming right up into the base of the skull there. That's an area where it gets tight. People get a lot of headaches and vision problems. And also, it's just a lot of nerves coming out of there. Again, different ways you can click the back. Couldn't hear any of those clicks because the original soundtrack's not on there. Nice gentle rocking at the end as well, getting rid of the trapped energy. It's called, in Chinese medicine, called raking the wei qi. So the wei qi is like your immune system. It comes out of the body, type of qi. And then we just rock the person gently, rocking the spine.